Hi, kids. Good morning. How was your sleep? That's so great to know. By the way, my name is Teacher Deep. How about you? What is your name? Great. It is nice to meet you, John. Can you say that again? My name is John. Good job. How old are you? 5. Oh, can you say, I am 5 years old? Great job. So today we are going to study about colors and shapes. Do you know what's colors and shapes? Great job. Oh, you know colors. So what is your favorite color? Good job. Red. So today we will study more. All right. So can you see my screen? Great. So now this is our lesson, shapes and colors. Great job. So now let's go ahead and start to the first one. Let's learn the colors of the rainbow. What color is this? Do you know what color is that? Yes, correct. That is color red. On the rainbow, where is color red? Great job. Here is the color red, like my marker. That is color red. Good job. How about this? What color is this? Can you say orange? Once again, orange. Good job. How about this color? What color is this? Great, that's color yellow. How about this one? What color is this? Good job, that is green. And this color blue and purple. Great, so you have learned 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors right now. So now let's move on to the shapes. What shape is this? Are you familiar with that? Correct. That is square. All right. Now, what shape is this? Circle. Like your mouth, you should say circle. All right. Next one. What shape is this? Rectangle. That is a long version of square. Rectangle. Okay, and our last shape is triangle. Great job. Now we are going to learn shapes and color. So you will tell me whichever comes first, eh, whichever the color of the shape, and what is the name of the shape. Are you ready? Good job. Now let's move on to the next page. So match the words to their picture. So what do you think is the color of this shape? Correct, that's color green and square. So this one is the correct answer. Okay, now let's move on to the next shape. What shape is this? Correct, that is circle. And color? Blue. Great job. Now, next one. What shape is this? Triangle. And color? Red. Very good. Now, let's move on to the final shape. Rectangle. And its color? Yellow. Very good. Good job. Now let's move on to the next one. Tell me what shape is this? Do you remember what shape is that? It's triangle. Good job. So that is a triangle, meaning it's a recycling triangle shape. And do you know what's this? That is a clock. Do you know how to read a clock? Great. Later on in the class, I will teach you also that part. Next one. What shape is this? Triangle. And how about this one? It's also a clock, but circle. All right. And the final shape is triangle, upside down. Now let's move on. So now I will check your speaking skills. Don't worry, you don't need to be afraid to speak. And if you ever that you don't know what to say, don't worry, teacher will help you later, okay? So now, the first question is, what color is the bird? So where is the bird in the picture? Correct. This is the bird. What's the color of the bird? So it is color red. Correct. So you can say the color of the bird is red. Good job. So we finished the first question. How about the next one? What color is the fish? Which one is the fish? Correct. This is the fish. What color is the fish? Orange. Good job. So you can say the color of the fish is orange. Next one. So same as on the next question, you will just repeat the question and then tell the answer. Okay? Now, which shape is green? Which shape is green? Triangle. Triangle is color green. So this time you will describe what is the color or what is the shape of the green. Okay, now which shade is blue? It's circle. Good job. And which animal is purple? So cutie. It is a cutie purple cat. Can you say that again? It is a purple cat. Very good. Now let's move on and recap again. So do you remember what do you call this? A rainbow. So in a rainbow, there is a color. Red, correct? Orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. So, which one is your favorite color again? You said earlier it's color red. Did you change your mind? Do you have another favorite color? Yellow, that can be a yellow. So that's all for the class today. We are done to the class for today. So I hope you will remember what we've studied today. That is shapes and colors. So that's all. Thank you so much for coming to my class. See you again next time. Bye.